Improve your vocabulary. And learn new English words about feelings and emotions.
Happy. This family is so happy today.
I am so happy to see my family again.
Sad. Sarah is sad because her best friend is absent today.
Excited. This family is so excited. They are going to vacations.
Kids, are you excited?
Upset. John is upset about his wife's behavior.
Afraid. This little girl is so afraid of dogs.
Angry. Mrs. Smith is angry with her daughter. She broke the jar.
Ashamed. Sarah seems so ashamed.
I am so sorry, Mama. Next time I will take good care of things.
Brave. This hero saved the girl's life. He is so brave.
Furious. The boss is so furious.
Why you did not complete the work?
Don't worry, sir. I will complete my work today.
Amused. Children are amused to see the circus. Confused. Girls are confused about what to order.
So ma'am, what is your order?
Please wait. Let us think.
Tired. This woman is so tired after shopping.
Shopping makes me tired.
Exhausted. After a full day of work, Jenny is so exhausted.
Bored. She is bored at home. She has no one to spend time with.
Hot. This man feels so hot in this desert.
Cold. This man feels so cold in the snow.
Disappointed. She is so disappointed because she lost the race. Shocked. She is shocked to see the fire.
Mama, Mama. Please come, there is a fire in the kitchen.
Sick. He feels so sick today.
Don't worry, you will be all right.
Jealous. This little girl is jealous of her younger sister.
Mama, now you love the baby more than me.
Worried. Her mother is worried about her daughter's jealousy.
No, Anna. I love both of you.
Hungry. He is hungry. He needs food to eat.
Surprise. Emma is so surprised at Mike's proposal.
Emma, will you marry me?
Nervous. Danny is so nervous in his first presentation. Embarrassed. John fell off. He is so embarrassed.
Shy. This boy feels so shy in front of his friends.
Terrified. Frightened. These kids are terrified of ghosts at night.